Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of REM and RWAs. I'm your host, Kaaz, and as usual, I got Callum with me.
Hi everyone.
Guys, we have actually came like more often than usual this week. Obviously, lots. That's the only reason there's lots going on in the crypto world. Obviously, the upcoming Clarity Act, and also the Bitcoin rise, the sudden boom or small booms, and more hoo-ha about the upcoming altcoin season. People talking. I mean, it's rumors, sometimes good people that keeps bullish, which is a good thing. Let's talk about the Clarity Act, guys. There's one day to go. It's a big win for the crypto community and the crypto world all around. And that's going to give access for proper compliance guidance for the securities and whatnot, which give the exchange to freely trade in US. It's going to accept that everything. So this is going to be a mega change for everybody. And America can be the crypto capital of the world. So which is good thing, right? Good things for all the projects. Again, that will pour more institutional funds into the crypto, which is a good thing. And we're all waiting for what's going to happen. And hopefully it's passed by fine colors. Let's talk. We'll talk about a little bit more in depth about that tomorrow. Obviously, it's still go one day to go. So, without further ado, I'll go to Callum to talk about what's happening in the world, or actually in the crypto world. What's happening in the Bitcoin? Is there an impact in there? But I can see Bitcoin running steady, and also let's talk about the project REM. What's going on with the RW space as well? Callum, over to you.
Thank you very much, Kaz. Hello everyone. Nice to see you again in an REM bus. Look, guys, buy the rumor, sell the news. That's what they say, right?
Yeah.
So basically, what happens here is that if we go to the charts, we can see a little dip. It's a buying opportunity usually prior to the any news comes in. So buy the rumor, sell the news. So if you look at the screens, right, I can show you uh, if we share the screen, right, you can see here, I think you can see here cash, right? So
Yes, I can see.
basically there was 80 something before over here during the 7 day period. It has dipped a little bit. Again, as I said, it's right before the act, right? So this is where we need to understand. As mentioned by Cash, it's a day to go. Usually there is an anticipation, and then when the good news comes in, usually it goes up, and that's what happens all this time. So, guys, this is a small dip, and it's nothing to consider, but we're in that same, as Cash mentioned, looking at a bigger picture, it's just the same movement and all coins are the same. If we go to BTC charts, this is what we see, guys. And what we need to do is let's make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Now, this is the daily chart. I want to make it hourly to show you what's happened during this time. Now, this is you see, we were here. We were 76, right? Remember? And now we came here. This is a daily chart. And it went to 82, 88. Look at this. This is the top. What happened in the current situation? And this dip is almost like here. Not a big deal. We're just like here. This dip over here coming up and everything like this. So it's basically a solid start for the week. It's not. It's not an actual dip, so-called dip. Go to the 4 hour chart. We would see. See, this is where you see things. Look at this. As we go on checking the bigger picture, you can see it is an upward trend, not a downward trend. This small downturn in a 4 hour chart looks like this. Not a biggie, right? But if you go to the 1 day chart, you can see the daily charts talk about a bigger, much more bigger picture, which shows the really, really high top end, which was the 126 end over here. And you can see this is this consolidation. Look at this consolidation. It's amazing, guys. This consolidation. If, as I talk about the 1 day chart, excuse me, the daily chart, if it goes above this pink line, that is an issue, because that has never happened until we get out of the bear market. Look at this, guys. Look at this. If we go on over here and cross, if this spike up right up here, look at this spike up from the pink to blue. See, pink was just covered up here, not all the way here, just up here. So that has never happened in a Bitcoin chart. So if we were to go up from here from the pink, that's a bigger sign that this is going to cross over again and it's going to go up, right, before even touching here. So I don't know, like we have to wait and see. It can be a small pump like this, a picking up here and then going down, or picking up here and going down. Soon the months would tell us what's happening, right? But let's go to our normal 3-day chart. Okay, guys, we saw the cross. The beauty is this. Look at this. When this cross happened before in market cycles, it never touches the blue line. Never touches the blue line unless over here, when it touches, you can soon see it going up and up and up and up, and then this close over, and then we go to a bigger market trend when it touches. In Bitcoin history, it has never passed through this blue line straight after falling. This is a new trend for us. Never has happened. So you can see in 3-day charts, it has crossed the blue line. You know what this means? This is a great indicator. If it goes like this, the blue line is going to cover the pink line and it's going to go up. This has never happened. So I don't know, like, you know, this is new territory for us. Even though we predicted it's going to go down here, touching here, go for 1 year, whatever that is. If this happens, and if it goes up like this, continues to stay even, would see a huge pattern going up, right? So this is a very positive move. REM charts, guys. Look at the REM charts. REM charts are solid. You know, this is the 1-day chart. If you go to the hourly chart, you can see this is a very, because these REMs are like, you know, it works with Bitcoin charts. This is a great opportunity to purchase, guys. Amazing opportunity to purchase. Because if you go to the daily chart, you would understand that these sort of peaks are there in this market, right? So when you purchase in an area like this, it just tends to give feedback, echo through to these times when we go up. Whenever the altcoin season happens, it's a great opportunity for you, right? Because it's a microcap, it's a solid microcap, and this is what you would see, right? Okay, let's go to the crypto altcoin season indicator, right? Let's refresh it for a second. Beautiful. See, altcoin season indicator shows us, right? It is going towards it, but I think because of the Bitcoin movement, it has gone down a little bit, but it was 50 last time when we check, and go to yesterday was 48. You know, it's balanced up as we go on, so we'll see. I mean, we are here. It just basically over here, it was what, 26.11. This is what we see. Basically what's going to happen during, I mean, in the peak period that we are anticipating that it's going to happen. So you see, according to the charts, we're right in the good zone, right, where we can see this. But let's see how it's going to go, because we have to wait and see. It needs to not push a little bit more over here. Fear and greed index, the beauty is the fear levels are a little bit high because of the Bitcoin drop. But you know what, guys, as I said, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news. This may change tomorrow. So that's what we see in Bitcoin dominance also. I think it should reflect a little bit more. See, you can see Bitcoin dominance is also reflecting. So it's very shaky areas if you look at the short term. But the good news is it's not the end of the world. Like,
Mm.
if we haven't gone down here. We've gone down here, we know exactly we're in a bear market. We're in a bear market, nothing to worry, there's nothing to talk about. It's about accumulation phase. That's it. Here, we are in a sort of a dim area. So I would be cautious now to give a little bit of a educational form of understanding, not a financial advice. As I say again, do your due diligence. I say here we have to basically wait. I would be waiting. I would not be purchasing. I would not be selling anything. I'll be waiting to see what the next few days, next few weeks going to show me. Accordingly, up or down, we'll take that measures. Well, given that information, I guess that's it for today. What I can give you guys.
Thanks, Callum. So that's good information. So, guys, there you go. So, obviously, the markets are still stable. We can see still everyone, like I said in the start of this episode, people still feel bullish. That's all the indicators pointing, which is good. And a lot of eyes, all eyes on the Clarity Act upcoming. That's can be the major news. So let's see. Hopefully, it's like I said, another day to go, one day to go in the last 24 hours of that act going to be passed, signed, and passed. What they said, if it's signed, it can go to effect as early as 3rd of July, which is good. So next financial year. So let's keep an eye. We'll let you know the latest on tomorrow. Obviously, you guys will know by tonight, but we'll talk about briefly in the morning. We'll go from there. So thank you very much for joining us, and have a good day. And we'll see you guys soon tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, guys.